Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will show how to create natural water reflection in Photoshop. Let's get started. At first I open a picture. Then I cut the down part of the image by crop tool. After that, duplicate the background layer. Then go to Image to Canvas size. Here change inches into %. Click on the top middle arrow. Change height 100 to 200 and then click OK. Here you can see in Canvas a blank space created. Now open the rectangular tool and select the image. Then duplicate layer 1 twice by pressing Ctrl J. Open the transformation tool by pressing Ctrl T, then a border will appear. Go to the top. When you see the startable arrow, drag your photo to the bottom until the reflection snap in place and press the tick. Drag the copy below layer 2 and name it Reflection. Name the top layer Image. Let's drag layer 1 to the trash since we don't need it anymore. Then create a new document for water ripple with height 10, width 6, resolution 70 and background transparent. After that, go to Edit, then fill the layer with black. Now add a noise to the layer. For that, go to Filter, Noise, then add noise and set the amount maximum. Also select Uniform, then click OK. Next go to Filter, Blur to Gaussian blur and set the radius to a smaller pixel. Now go to your layers panel and switch to channels. Click on the layer, then go to Filter, Stylize, then Ambush and set the angle 180 with the height at 1 and the amount at maximum. Do the same with the green layer selected. This time the angle is set to 90 with the height at 1 and the amount at maximum. Next, we want to stretch the lower part of the image outwards in order to give it the correct perspective. Go to Edit, Transform to Perspective and pull the bottom corners outwards as far as you want. You can observe the image looks like colorful ripple water waves. Save this as PSD format with maximum compatibility and close it. This PSD file works as a displacement map to create ripples for our tutorial. Now go back to your original project file. Apply the displace map to reflection. For that, go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Then a dialog box appears. Set the horizontal scale to 10 and the vertical scale to 20. When you click OK, you will be asked to find a displacement map and select Displace Map PSD file image you made earlier. Finally, we successfully make a realistic water reflection with ripple. Now we will make some adjustment to the whole image. First, I create a gradient that will make the bottom of the reflection darker. Take a new layer and drag it to the top. Open your gradient tool and ensure the linear gradient icon is highlighted. Click on the arrow next to the gradient box and choose the black to transparent thumbnail. Go to the bottom of your image and press and hold Shift as you drag up the gradient tool to the middle. Change the blending mode to multiply. Reduce the opacity at 40%. Then I take the smudge tool and brush it back and forth over the reflection layer to smear it, giving it a more natural look. So, this is the process of water reflection with ripples. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. Inspire us by giving likes, shares and comments. Stay with us by subscribing to our channel and visit our website at www.clippingamazon.com.